This is Auto Academy with another set of tool tips designed for shop owners, but as always, if you're a shop technician, this might be a video or a series of products that you might want to bug your shop owner about. As always, we're always focused on efficiency, and with summer on the way, AC work is soon to follow. So these three tools or tool and supply sets should make your job easier as a technician, get cars in and out faster, as well as get the correct part on the car in a easier manner. The first one, sold by O'Reilly Auto Parts. I believe under this part number, you can buy it from a variety of vendors, but it is a Santec Master Technician Series Automotive Air Conditioning Set, part number M like Mary, T like Tom, 9009. Now this kit, it mostly revolves around the R134 systems, but towards the bottom there, it does have an extensive original equipment cross-reference number guide for the variety of seals and valves included in this kit. Inside are 5 tackle box style toolkits. This one has a variety of smaller O-rings. This one is a listing of different orifice tubes for vehicles, as well as different standard Schrader valves, caps, larger O-rings, smaller and thinner O-rings, as well as a variety of flat gaskets. Now inside each of these cases, again these tackle box style cases, as always is a part number to ease in reordering. All these part numbers do cross-reference the products carried by O'Reilly Auto Parts, but you may be able to order it from somewhere cheaper such as Amazon. There's also a size accurate diagram of each seal that you're going to be using. That way, if you're unsure, instead of contaminating the seals that are down here in the tackle box, you can match it up with the photos on the backings, and if it fits within that kind of shadow of that photo, you know you've got the right seal and size. So either you can match what you have visually, or if you have a part number, reference the part number cross-reference list that is included in this box. So that would be set number 1, again designed around the R134A systems. So let me put that one away real quick. If I remember correctly, I believe the cost on this set was about $300, and again, like most of these products, it does come loaded. The second set revolves around the R1234YF system, and again, it is sold by O'Reilly's under the Murray brand with part number 24800, and this is a kit full of adapters, valve cores, and caps, and as usual, tackle box style with reordering part numbers, YF specific valve cores, and perhaps most importantly, what I see most frequently at my shop is YF system caps, because for one reason or another, they always seem to be missing. I believe due to the cost of the YF repairs, it seems like customers are getting more than one estimate or opinion on the cost of repair, since it is such a jump compared to those old 134A prices. The last part series that a lot of people don't seem to know about is Murray part number, again, sold by O'Reilly Auto Parts, 69031. Now this is great for shop owners from a financial perspective, and perhaps even better for technicians to hopefully reduce comebacks that potentially aren't your fault. As we said, the cost of repairing these systems has really ballooned over the past few years, so the amount of people perhaps getting second opinions or trying to repair their own systems or tampering with systems that you may have already worked on is, certainly increasing, and that's not a job that you want to have to do for free or on behalf of the customer if it isn't something that you or your shop had been involved in. So this kit is a tamper evidence strap kit, and basically all it is a giant plastic cap with a huge zip tie, so you can cap off the service valves on either YF or 134 systems, and it does come with a series of stickers that says removal of strap may void warranty. You can fill in the date, the refrigerant type, high side number, company name, telephone, and re-inspection date. And hopefully this will deter less than honest individuals, other shops and such from potentially tampering with something that you've already worked on or diagnosed, or if it ends up in another shop, maybe that shop will be forward and say, hey, it appears this has been worked on by another shop, and at that point, hopefully you're able to cover the customer under warranty and do right by them. Or if in fact there is something else wrong with the system that they are returning to your shop for that work, because as indicated by the sticker, there may be a warranty to void if they were to go somewhere else.
So that's just kind of a list of useful products that you want to have on the shelf come this summer and AC season to be as efficient as possible, get customers in and out the door, and get them back in their cold AC vehicle. This is an Auto Academy tool tip where we learn, wrench, and succeed.